Hello, knowledge seekers. I'm thrilled to have you here. My name is Niharika. Welcome back to my channel, Learnoji, where you can learn just by listening. You have joined us on an incredible journey starting with the fundamentals of what geography is. Now it's time to delve deeper into the diverse branches of geography. From Earth's physical features to the complexities of human societies, we are expanding our horizons in today's video. As discussed earlier, geography is broadly divided into two major branches, physical geography and human geography. Additionally, some scholars recognize a third branch called integrated geography. Physical geography explains the natural environment, including landforms, climate, vegetation, soil, water bodies, and ecosystems. Major subfields of physical geography include geomorphology, geomorphology, which is the study of landforms and processes that shape them. Climatology, study of climate. Biogeography, study of relationship between organisms and their environment. Hydrology, study of water in all forms. Pedology, study of soil. Glaciology, Glaciology, as the name suggests, it deals with the study of glaciers and ice sheets. Now coming to human geography, this branch of geography focuses on the relationship between people and their environment. It explores how human activities and cultures shape and are shaped by the physical world. Major subjects of human geography includes cultural geography, urban geography, population geography, economic geography, political geography. Talking about integrated geography, it is also called environmental geography. This branch seeks to bridge the gap between physical and human geography. This field often addresses issues like sustainability, environmental management, and the effect of human activities on the Earth's ecosystem. These branches are not mutually exclusive and often overlap. Geographic Information System (GIS) is a versatile tool that enhances our understanding of spatial relationships and enables better decision making across a wide range of fields. That's all for today. In the next video, we will be diving into the journey through the cosmos and explore the universe. If you found this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Learnoji, where you can improve your general knowledge just by listening. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe. Bye-bye.